Welcome to Lesson 26 of the American English Pronunciation Course. In Lesson 23, you learned about strong and weak words in the rhythm of a sentence. But sometimes we give extra emphasis to specific words to call attention to a detail, depending on the situation. Consider these examples where the same sentence is spoken with different stress depending on the situation. Did John give Mary the book? No, I gave Mary the book. Did you lend Mary the book? No, I gave Mary the book. Did you give Jane the book? No, I gave Mary the book. Did you give Mary the magazine? No, I gave Mary the book. You can see that each example emphasizes the most important word for that situation. When the question asks about who received the book, the emphasis in the answer is also on the person who received the book, Mary. When the question asks about the action, lend versus give, the response also emphasizes the action, gave the book. Now test your ability to identify which word is most important and should receive the emphasis. We're going to work with the sentence, "We had dinner at Mary's house yesterday." You'll see this sentence as the answer to 4 different questions, and you need to say it with the stress on the correct word. After 10 seconds, the answer will appear. Did you have dinner at Mary's house last week? We had dinner at Mary's house yesterday. I heard you had lunch at Mary's house yesterday. We had dinner at Mary's house yesterday. So, you were over at Mary's apartment the other day? We had dinner at Mary's house yesterday. Didn't you eat at Martha's house yesterday? We had dinner at Mary's house yesterday. Special emphasis is often used in 3 situations. Corrections. We have 5 new employees. Actually, there are 7 new employees. So you speak German? Well, I'm learning German. You can also use it to correct yourself. The company is located in the southeast of France. Oh, sorry, the southwest of France. We also use special emphasis in disagreements to highlight the contrast between what the other person is saying and what we are saying. Imagine a husband and wife arguing about a purchase. I told you, we don't have enough money to buy this. Yes, we do. A little bit of special emphasis is also used when adding new details or information. For example, I heard you're a teacher? Yes, I'm a history teacher. Let's do an exercise where you practice saying the same sentence 2 different ways, depending on the stress needed. Is the event this October? No, it'll be next October. Is the event next November? No, it'll be next October. He bought a new car. Actually, he bought a used car. He bought a used motorcycle. Actually, he bought a used car. Does the class start on Thursday night? It starts on Tuesday night. Does the class start on Thursday morning? It starts on Thursday night. Also practice self-correction. Michelangelo was a 17th century Italian painter. Excuse me, a 16th century Italian painter. Michelangelo was a 16th century Spanish painter. Excuse me, a 16th century Italian painter. Special emphasis can also be used to add implied meaning to a sentence, something we don't say directly, but that the other person can understand between the lines or indirectly. Here's a sentence that has 7 different implications, depending on how you say it and where you put the stress. I never said she stole my money implies that I never said it, but someone else did. I never said she stole my money emphasizes that this event, my saying she stole my money, never happened, not even once. I never said she stole my money implies that I never said it out loud, but perhaps I thought, implied, or behaved as if this was true. I never said she stole my money implies that I am not accusing her specifically, but that someone else did steal my money. I never said she stole my money implies that I never accused her of stealing, but perhaps I said that she did something else with my money. I never said she stole my money implies that she stole someone else's money, but not mine. I never said she stole my money implies that she stole something else from me, but it wasn't money. You finished Lesson 26. Tomorrow we're going to begin a 2-part study on linking, which will help you connect the words in your sentences.